Hello guys, I know if you clicked on this video at some point, maybe you're a content creator or you're planning to start creating content and you're wondering how you get views, because I know at some point you are seeing people getting views maybe on TikTok and Instagram, and then you're posting your videos and has no views, or maybe you have 2 views, 13 views, 20 views, and maybe 3 or 4 likes. So this video is for you because you're going to discuss on how you can start getting more views on any social media platforms: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, doesn't matter. Yeah, so welcome. This is Finstock Beanstalk. Here we give you tips on how you can grow your social media and even make money online, and courses that you can do to make sure that you're growing your social media and making money in the modern world. My name is Patrick and welcome very much. So the first thing you need to do is to crack something called the algo effect. You have to make sure that you know how this social media works. Yeah, you have to know what kind of content maybe YouTube pushes and promote, because they do promote certain types of content. It just happened that you guys maybe don't know what type of content they promote, and then you produce content that doesn't get promoted a lot in social media, especially maybe in YouTube and TikTok. Yeah, they get to promote certain kind of content. So that is what you get to understand. You get to know how the algorithm of this social media works, and then you get to use that to your advantage. And this video is going to have a part 2 because we are going to discuss every single part. Maybe the first point, which is the algo effect, we're going to discuss what you have to do to make sure that you know how this algorithm of social media works, and you then use that to your advantage and make sure that you are getting views. The second thing is engagement. I've repeated this a lot of times here in this podcast. I've said that you guys need to engage with your audience. It makes sense if you are creating content and then you are engaging with your audience, because you get to create something like a family, and then you get to relate to your audience, and then that gives you the opportunity to make sure that you know what to deliver. Because think of it in this case, you're just creating content, you don't even know what kind of content your audience likes, so you just get to produce content and then hope maybe they like this type of content. But what about if you know exactly what they like and then create that content? I don't see any reason you won't get views with that mentality. Yeah, and the other one is timing. Yeah, timing is everything. Did you know that there is certain times when you post your content is going to get more views compared to when you post that the same type of content at a different time? Yeah, so you have to make sure that do your research and know that when does your audience like to consume your content. Yeah, so you get to time. Maybe you can even think of maybe some, for example, in TikTok, what time does people like scrolling through TikTok, and then use that to your advantage and make sure that you're using that to get more views and more followers. The other one, this applies more on YouTube, because it's about thumbnail. Yeah, so they say that a picture can speak 100 words. So think of it as, if you create a very good picture, so that means that it can even communicate more and more words than just 100 words. So I don't see a reason where you should, because you can even test this with yourself. Just go to YouTube and see the videos that you'll be tempted to click. Those videos, is the first thing you notice is how good their thumbnail look. That's the first reason that is going to make sure to get tempted to click on that video. But think of a case where you have a dull thumbnail or even no thumbnail at all. A lot of people would just click on your video. Maybe some people will click maybe 2 or 3 because they are looking for that information, but a lot of time views don't come from people who are looking at certain information. A person will just be scrolling on YouTube and then notices a video and then clicks on that video. So make sure that you are creating thumbnails that look good and that can tempt someone to click on that video. The last one is collaboration. The social media space have a lot of people who have been there for a very long time, so it's up to you to take advantage and look for this collaboration. Just post a video of you maybe with a celebrity, and the celebrity you post a video with, of course they have followers, and these followers might be like, if this guy posts a video or a picture with this celebrity, this means maybe they are doing the same thing, and I need maybe to follow this person to make sure that I don't get left behind with the kind of content they are creating. Collaborate even with small TikTokers or YouTubers so that you can get more views and get to, because everyone has their own. This video will have a part 2. Yeah, for example, we started with something called the algo effect. We are going to discuss what is that, because it's a big word, and the whole word means a logarithm. How does social media algorithm works? Then engagement. How do you get to engage with your audience full time? The other one is timing. We're going to discuss specific times where you should be posting your content. And the other one is thumbnail. How do you create the best thumbnail that can exist? Yeah, because that's the whole point. For someone to click to your video, they'll have to get tempted to click on it because it looks good. For example, you are talking about maybe how to do maybe push-ups, and then you don't even have a thumbnail of you maybe doing push-ups, and you have your muscles. Yeah, but think of it like you are teaching people how to do push-ups, and then you're there with your muscles and doing push-ups. It will look good on your thumbnail, and someone might click on it. And the other one is collaboration. We'll discuss on how you can collaborate to get more views, and that is collaborating with other content creators like yourself. Yeah, that is it, guys. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below, and I'll be very proud to get back to you and answer your question and do whatever I can to make sure that your issue is solved. Yeah, if you want maybe to take your journey of content creation, for example, maybe YouTube and TikTok to the next level, you can enroll for courses at Finstock University College. It's an online college that offer these courses at a very affordable fee, so you can do them anywhere because it's online, and you get to be certified at the end of the course. Yeah, that is it, guys. Also remember to make sure that you like the video, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time we post a new video. If you want to reach out to Finstock University College, the website is www.finstockuniversity.com, or you can email them at info@finstockuniversity.com. You can also call their customer care number at 0703 313 722. That is it, guys. Until next time, peace.